Can you please tell us what happened inside?
Well, we're here, the Kama Area Council with the entire team from the Inspector General of Police. We had a dialogue here with the local authorities in respect of our exercise that is clearing the road. As you all know, we've been doing this since last year, October, and we'll continue doing what we are doing. We are tasked to carry an exercise that is clearing the road, and we will continue clearing the road. Of course, we have people who crying here and there, but our advice is still going back to them, that let them avoid completely the public places. That is the road. The roads are meant for only communication. They're not meant for selling. They're not meant for any form of business other than the road. The council, we came here, they have their own constraints. You know, they're trying to dialogue, calling us to have a dialogue and see what is feasible and what is not feasible, which we welcome. We are not here to intimidate. We are not here to discourage any kind of business, because when we do, then we've already flicked over our responsibilities. Our responsibility is only to do our exercise in accordance with the laws of this land, and which we are here to exercise. We are here to do. We'll continue doing, like I said. We will clear the roads, but of course, what brought all this chaos is lack of communication, and that's why we're here today. And the Inspector General of Police came today. They have a concern. When we came here first day, we had cleared all roads within Brikama here and the surrounding, all right, and which involved the famous Nana Johnson that brought all these chaos. When we cleared, before we found structures, people built their canteens and structures on the road itself, and we demolished all. After demolishing that one, now we've seen hawkers, vendors coming to display their goods, meaning they're doing the same. Even though those people, they have canteens, a physical structure, but it's not mean. That doesn't mean that when we clear that one, the structures, people should come and occupy with their goods to sell the place. It's the same form. We are saying free the road. Whether vehicles are applying, vehicles are not applying. These are roads that are provided for communication. Okay. Now they have their own reason for bringing those vendors to go and sell. To allow them, they went and did the demarcation where we've already cleared. And before they do that, they know, we told them categorically, they know we are in the ground here. We cleared everywhere. If they have a reason why they're allowing those vendors to sell over there, they should have communicated to us. But for us clearing, after thinking everything is in control, then we had them, the councillors themselves, going and giving space to people. It looks like a provocation, and we are not here to provoke anybody. If we did not help the chairman and his people to carry on their tasks as expected from their voter population, then we are not fair to them. I mean, the chairman is not here for only one political party. He's serving the whole region. All right? I'm from Lamen. We are all under the same chairman. So we need to respect our authorities. We respect them. We give them respect. But in as much as we also expect the same respect to us, they cannot be sitting in this office trying to instigate people to come and get us in the market. That will only bring chaos. And that is not necessary. We are all one. The reason why we are here, please, we have a dialogue with them. They're doing some work over there. The concrete, they say, is within the curing process. When you do concrete, there's a process that it goes, it's called a curing process. It's going through that. That's why they went and allowed those vendors there. But they did not communicate. If they had communicated, we would allow, because no vehicle will be allowed to use that road. So that's why when the Inspector General of Police came, we went on the ground. They told them, told the Inspector General and the team, is from here to the council here that they're doing this, and they are pleading for Inspector General and the operation team to allow them to set the women around that road, within only that road from Nana Johnson, where the work is, let them do their quality self, and the Inspector General of Police gave them barely 1 week. And them themselves had to come back and clear, not to allow the operation team to come and do the same thing. So we have a dialogue, we have an understanding. That's where we are now. We had an understanding from them that the development, where the development is taking place, that is where they're making that concrete pavement is going under a curing process. And we will allow them women to use that for their fees. And after that, next Wednesday, tomorrow Wednesday, the following Wednesday, then they themselves had taken up on themselves to say the council has enough police. They will not even allow operation team to come back here to send those people away. They will clear everyone. And now, moving forward, their team is going to be added to our team. We will be doing the same what we are doing. We have the movement of vehicle and properties have to continue. Roads are not here to be blocked. Of course, people, they have their expectation, but not on the road. So that's why we're here. I mean, dialogue, a lack of communication brings this kind of thing. But in as much as we are talking as one government, of course, we are getting it there. And all of us, our motto is, we want to see this country being developed.
From now on, we see that, especially with the ordinary vehicles.
Ninko Maslaha is different from dialogue. Hani Maslaha wo hani kumi manya na kele sa bula no like hina wono wo manke mba man ne ka kan wala foka all right dialogue nyomoyo wolon dialogue bar maslaha man ka nyomoyo pour nga nyomoy nin kan sul nin authorities man nyom aba kole ala bakel do ko ba kole ala bakel ko kon kan ko mi ka do ko lu nga trakti lo kono nga tara jangu ba wur la mo kini mo de ko man ken tol na fa aman ken tol la wuli ko bar min ben tol ma koy kam min ben tol wulindi kan wolo hadama dim tol momo bi jambe alon nako ini ala tema yebula do ko min ne nyanta kelal ko ini ala tema tol man butu soto nyinto mo man tranta joka nyinna ka fako te mol wulindi silo kan be jole kan jole because mba do ko la Gambia government wo salary kilomon be ka wala soto ntenga lonne nim fata bi konti bole bankan ba do ko ngaf ko di samana dimbal kan be balunde lala ngalon ala ban konti bola molla diamo mati nanta tan do ko kala banna do ko kala bar min important ta wolon nyin ndasa min ke nyin to kenol nyin mo politicianol you cannot go against your own people million vote. You always want to defend them even they are wrong. But ntol kamen fo nin tol ni tol man dialogue soro ntol duma doku lalle on the road operation nin tol bula minna ntol saratol mum minti bankola saratol mum minti mo kana si silo kay wa afrika ko ngamol wulindi je nin tol tata on the ground ntol bo mol wulindi la je bari amoy tol la responsibility as can show ye nanan tol kan damen tol ya lonko itolia fil ko wote tiñare ke la abe tol ma ko la tol kono ma ko no do ko eta ñaato wi aw do sa op wolen si jam pour nga ñomoy
only one question the position for it's not operation clear the market, it's operation clear the road. Market belongs to the council. Yes, enough without dialogue with the council. Even money for a body, and what would be your new step?
Well, if I mean for
it's very simple.
It's simple question. Nana man dum marché kon. Nana man dum garage kono ka nta dum garage kono garage are built for a purpose. That is for vehicle to accommodate vehicle. Ningaje garage ol centa molka ela atondi fili fengol sama garage kono sido ndimon min fomba garage kono ko moto le findi mirkas do silo kan e bo silo kay dum garage kono ba kala la ko silo e man dum marché kono ta marché amankan na do koti duka dum marché kono ka mol wulindi ka fal findi jang nga motol dundi nyan tol mo kede ntol nga silol la no man dum ta dawo da silol la bigé silol ni is for communication. It is the interest of amu interested but the people themselves the chairman for mol fongola na fa lon ka to marcel kono mol lebe kono to je milliard lon ko alaman tanka la ko sir boyno kan dimba sama no marché temal bor ni silon min bulata marché kono ni emergency sita musol ni la palato min ka si wo silol kam mol fa because nim pipi kumata wolbe wulnol banale kan tungol bil wol silol kan e se dimba bodo kono to moto wadunno la prata dimba fa ba ata fa non bil nata na force go wala fo ni silol min be jam min fitita gara so kono ata fo trust bank ke kantingol la loje moto ta dunno la je ko e alwo kantingol wutu aba marché wala kono ban marché ka access road soto for the security of musol o mol min fombo firolo o marché kono ngata wala ka mo accessibility bari dol man dum marché kono ka mo intimidate o ka mo bay marché ndal man tabu
no it's your team
ndam
you tell me
marché pamodu now listen you've asked your question allow me to answer ndelo mo o video go and check video ni marché teba min tolo yow tabulu katabindo because ke bay la disulo kekete bari marché kono min tolo te fama ya jeni ala tema marché min tolo sa video tandi na ngaji marché min tolo dunte yow tay another question yes hadama di dañala soto all right ntemo hadama dingol ti yelole be mbalo bala ntolbe mo baden kilingol ti jang nenta nga fo ni mil denta jam modol bi jawol balo nako ni denta la even this chairman wota wodi amol ima espeko ente bula tax min nan ni ala tema mbake kan wolda because anin constitutional la tata wala ta mbake ka mo tente dun la kuto mi ya lonko la sama bina problem o dinna fen fen ni loi ban satol man ta nta ban ta kala ndako mba min ke kan anin bankola loi lo wala ta mbake ka ni mbake ka ni futata ni jelo futete tema lafte ibe damanto o ibe min na o silo kay lafta prier boje est ce que tebenta sobe wolon la ban banta dañala woti mi ente long yalla ko nte man ko na face ni is not welcome baro mati na ko jawya dala na face moto change nolo mun dañal all right ala baraka ba
jaman ko sai ani la boy kabirin kunu jaman ko kabirin kunu wulita minna kuola wala mu operation o min be ke kam marché auto wala operation o be ke kam birkama marché auto de ngalo ngay toro min fe nam birkama be alna toro mu samba nam birkama sade ko wo toro le bang alhamdulillah ala tan du bage bi police IG nata wala IG nata ay fo mané akay councilor dulal min chodi ako councilor dulal mu chodi ali woto bula folo fo salo e tambi ale council fang bula yela mol sindi dami to yela mol bonni wot anyanda kala wala nyama wala silo munduma anyanda kala wala nyama kabirna kuma sulla anyanda kala wala nyama manke wala nyama mun folo mun nanda ka folo wala laban lafta ke wala nyama andi lafta ke wala nyama sa imbe son da kanyanda kala wala nyama so imbe son da wala ko ali wala nyama operation ko clear the road ko operation nyum to clear the road ko sulol clear bar birkama sila jamala be birkama bar operation bo gata o silol to de wato marché auto do wato marché tema do wato marché tema garaso tema we dang sa yeta silol to we dang mo eta silol to e marché o bula fir lalié anu sandir lala marché bula fir lalni sandir lalni wa fir lalié no wala kele awala kele alhamdulillah ala tan du bi no le financier ay wala financier bi mo beta yela firo ke mol min na sandiro fana nangana sandiro ke mol min na sando la fana dar sando ke taro ko ala sonda tiaga so wota fayla ko
thank you very much for coming, and thank you for covering this. We are pleased to be here this morning. Like you mentioned earlier, I think it's been fruitful discussion today. The Inspector General of Police, Sidi Mukhtar Toure himself today in the morning, and his leadership, the Chief of Operation, AIG Pate Jallow, and the Commissioner for Brikama or West Coast held a meeting in the Brikama Area Council, and some of the issues were raised, concerns of Brikama Area Council, and the Inspector General of Police himself gives him assurance as to what the next step is, and we are all in agreement. Like you mentioned, the issue has been that there has not been enough space for people to come together and come to an agreement to have a discussion. At the end of the day, like you mentioned, this operation is a national operation. It's for everybody. You understand? And yes, they have concerns, and they have their rights to express those concerns. And here, the leadership of the Gambian Police Force did listen to him or listen to them today. That's why they came here to have a discussion and look for the way forward. Because at the end of the day, it's the Gambia, and it's for the Gambian people. And Brikama is part of the Gambia, and the Gambia Police Force is for the Gambia. The government of the Gambia is for the Gambia. And it's by no fault that we are able to have a sit down with them today to actually understand their concerns and then address these concerns. At the end of the day, it's for us to come together. Now we are in agreement. At the end of the day, immediately after the holiday, we will come together and work towards the development of Brikama, and especially the area council of Brikama, their intended areas, because we are aware. Because not only affect us, but even the citizens of Brikama, even the area council, the roads, if they are clear, there are health implications, accidents, road traffic incidents, and all of that. And I'm quite sure, like you mentioned, it is going to contribute. This operation is going to contribute in ensuring that some of these things are mitigated. So on that note, I think we are on the same page. What has passed. We are today for a new page, and we are all in agreement that what we are doing is for the Gambian people, then therefore we have to come together as a team and work towards that aim. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the operation. Today we are here right at the Coastal Road Market.
Good. So we are supposed to clear the road. So we want to declare unit to make sure that the roads are open to avoid congestion or whatever or any form. So here sometimes by new entry we clear city, and as you can see, even the vendors, the new allocation but to my surprise, when you know that you are doing this kind of business here, wow, so one is looking forward.
Yeah, no idea. When you next month here, we are embarking on a road show. It's a tourist promotion to Bonega. And we have our family from the service there. So that is why we are here just for a particular period of time, then we are moving. Yes, so we are just here for maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, maybe another one, we will be going to another side.
So if possible, can I have access to the family?
Yes, we are still at the Coastal Road Market on the operation. This operation is based on monitoring and arresting.
soo ma jëlee sa caméra yi di nga xam kat
Ni model, ni all these vehicles.
so ko fa yi la eso ñun transfer there is no eso at this moment so come on ya bon ya bi tan ma ko ci in go ci ya sa mo tan fo kan de isa kan atlan singa
We are still at the Costa Road Market on the operation, clear the route, as well as the monitoring and arresting. Boy, di soldar men de. Di soldar mom camouflé mom. Kan sibine du ko def. So di jega dara. Camouflé. We are still at the Costa Road Market on the operation.
Mundaga no way. Kanala.
We are moving around the Costa Road Market, operation clear the road. So some of these vendors install corridor has a selling point.
Njaram. Kondo ando magani. Kondo ando magani.
Ko menen ko menen woni radede do kalawol mede radade kalawol menen woni eede kalawol mede radede bagasi ko sibe wekkiti para men wekkiti men wekkita seeda tum men samu dey mino men doga balaje men foppu musime men moba bagasi on foppu men ngabba men doga men yaha men arakadi sibe yeyi men arakadi joni nan awata jodade ka suudu hida sel hida wonde be ngure piji ma foko do rayta sa jodi ke ka suudu kon na wadata sa jodi ke ay kon na wadata awuje ka jonna on tigi falaka wujjude falaka jeenude ko fala ko joda go yeya regla biyo mum ko fo arrange ara wujjal goddo domal goddo jattal goddo kono on tigi wadda sistema loni ayeyal kono wadata sa yeyal kono wadata men tampi kala o sondo yahe jonna sa jetti bagage goddo ayeyal yon bagage andi oyna ya yo bagage yon ka ayo ala ko duwo
anki kondo ebuno ga anki kondo ebuno ga
ko be wadi ga hanki kon ko ebuno ga jama on han ko be wadi ga hanki kon ko be jama on han
awan jara
baran jara.
My name is Hassan Jallo. I'm a resident of Brikama West Coast, that's West Coast. I am going to speak in our own language so that my people will hear me. Okay, I'm being agile in the caring them. You understand? So I'm feel like all of you Nimanya nakela nundi, ninya nakela nunjunan. You understand? Problems should be solved through what? Dialogue. You understand? But problems should not be solved through forcefulness. You understand? I blame both the central government and I blame BAC. You understand? Because maybe masibo kuna ta boy daka boy na mol leka. You understand? You don't let lal boy the fine. I don't against the operation clear the road. I supported it 100%. I'm in for it. But the way and the manner that they are doing it, this is where I have a question. You understand? Because sometimes you can move you understand? It will create a chaos or problem. In other limit, there is no communication between money and the other one. There is no communication because Farafara came to our place. You understand? When money came, we question money, we can put our things there. So that shows communication from a monthly team and me along is reasonable. You understand? Imagine be Murunda and Jang, they are having a take meeting with the council. You understand? We don't need any chaos. What we need is that we need development and building. You understand? What do they know if the council and the central government man killing? Council and central government should not see themselves as enemies. They are not enemies. They are all answerable to us. Nka tax jo council le nka tax jo central government. So ni dol tarra je man kambe man ke kilin ya understand abinan dol le stop la anon bo man ke fendi dol miyango dol sula wala development oti dal no kelo ni songo ni problem ni kudol no molbe mira kanne baluwa so ni ala no nyaade. I think this should be a way forward. Government be mira la nyaade saying council ni amba central government ibe Marcel create la no nyaade le miyango molbi daje mole wafre ke mole silol bula to nya mol katra nyamen silo kan ya understand it's not good especially hani boss to poto ni na de nim boss kana sometimes ya understand ka fa nim break ko fenda because me bengal ne motom modol but boss tiol from sometimes ka kam fale ike fay mol kan ne pour mole silo bule ne dum noy bida dane. So I think what they man necessary done today, what they are doing inside their meeting, I think they will come out with a fruitful decision. Me along both the council and the central government, they will pave a way forward. Me along Ninsaga Bepanal. So this is what I have.
Akina sunoti no dai kabusori wulendi ninsalo apalafa wara batare kama musoi bata batare masa kunda mawe nyanto de bari nande baduna ye moy bure ye wafiro ke sabo be kere ni saro boda moy sina wafiro dade ni saro boda moy sina wafiro dade bi ye ma beje ni saro boda boy ke dimba bari ndo way kono ma fa silo to nya silo ka mo wulindi silo ka abeta ma fa kala ke sa ke no bari nande boda ni saro boda e moy sare firo ke ye dama ni soto yes dama ni soto ni musalo wete mo ke balu ke nyino kono mo be ke sara ni wati de ni tilo ka da mo be ke janjan o de même masa ko da danira ye bula mo ye wafiro ke muso do be de wo ke balunde asona da de muso bata ye balu ko da mbakere goto me adama baro danira ay muso e bula ye do ko ke ye maso wafi ni tilo kadida moy ke sede ni do ko man wade si mais même la ka moy badi silo ka fo la manere ma fo mane ya do wando ni da moy wulindi kala moy tabiro tinya ya do man ku dembi ku duna ku kirimi ko tu ya jamele atata ya jame tata wodo moma ni be ku ko ngado man bi ida be semo sawande fala mi lan men kan moma lo sawande men fala mi na taraje fo sawa place baba ta mo men mete ta fala men do ite fala place wodo ni be place wodo ngado man ni tala moy wulindi fenga kana ake easy ye wulindi ikala fentinya ye ko do bonna kunna ni maintenant fa be ga sendi aba wodo mbe mane danira na tala muso wulindi ya do muso ka muso ko do bonni ye tabiro de da do be tabiro fonda manda ma ke maluru do ta ka siawde kala ta da yatinya ni mo se kampanya se hame mo kam ta no ma straight ya fa trete tabiro siga gere batinya me adama danira ana masa kunda ye muso bure ye firi di balu ko dalina ma no be kam ma no wilu fula ke ban fula muso ka balu ke kada ka ba no sanjira kono do be je fam kete bulu do be de ke mo se mo soto e kada ye balu ke nyino kono o de be danira aka kilanga ye moy bula ni musalodi ni tilo kadida do moy kada o de para même kono be jeero isa do man do ma ko ndere e so mo dura bi sabayte mu parade ila ba be kanya mo ma lo asiro ye sawande fala sena do fen yetta ka so tide menga asiro sawo fala na se pen wala se bo ra go tre nyaado o de para isa do ma ñon ga meddu be da ba kirim fa kilina be jam ñon dere be jam ba kirim fa kilina be jam ti asi men kanana ye fo ti asi tabla janede me ya ke jambi nge jere be nyame o do para men be jam kula ke dal sunu bati na da ko ti ka so men tida amanyinya ere ke ti ka so fay moy bondi silo ka beta fa jabe ti ka so fay ino ga meddu ne kelo ka ngo nyine dan ko ay dan o da mandane o da ya jabe mararo wo be kere banko ka ya jabe mararo wo be kere banko ka o do baro dana ni para men beje aiji ma fra ko asafa mole ko ikala tara katia ka so tinni ino ga meddu le mu ndere ke jo ndere fo mo dira o do mbe danira ko idun le mu ndede ibama yo be ja ibama ko wafiro ke ikala ta yeti mbalia ko sembo tonya sembo be te bulo ko bayi masatalla wo balata mbela wo sembo so mo be o to ma daina ese sabarota ye muso ibuda ye sare wafiro ke mais masa kuda dana ye wafiro ke wa salam wo ndef mo
ma gamela mo be konton to la konton ni o kwela instruta ntolota njakalta ngamunya sabari mu to bankoto mala mbamine kala niye munya ko niye munya ifasta munyola fa han kabi ngamunya sabarta fasay nsesta mala mbamine kala kanto modol biye wal kel fatale modol biye wal dimbatale modol biye wal kel kurantale imale ba min kala ni mon nay marsedo bike dimba dangin no taje ni mon nay marsedo bike dimba dangin no yekeje ma kemi an ko kemi ka wultala saba kay mo sala wafro la ika muso da malaje uta tani mali iba fatu yo da nyaaw iba fatu yo lo nyaawo nya ni muso do ya wafro pala kunto awjin kol hani sala bal hani iba fatu do nya ay ko ke bal fal uta alnga bal fa alnga hina nyola angale kamil fo ko do unto others has all do unto you ita sonna moy min kala mola uta kala ke wandi mola ikam faham la ba fo mon kelmi yalo ko fon ifon kelmi an koy ikam so bay ike dan fu ke table be tinya ko kuma jawal fo iba ko te ke bay pour kana mateto fo awadi ale te fo ibari muso ya te indak reba tali yale mo be ka dia ile mo dawa I cannot so with freedom how come yalo ko Senegal mi ko imon tali iman ke banko de unti ko ba sirin ile maxine ko no ko pote ulle we the Gambians why not we. Who are we? Who are we? If you suppose ko slave mandia oto ali nga demand ñofi e bida kolya akabanne ye modo je be aka pususu ñofi loka soma agida ka min di malo ye modo bu ñofi na soma agida ka min ke hey angale ko the downfall of a man that does not mean his life modo ka downfall parce que ñaoña baba wulal ali nga demand ñofi alanga demande man ñopi modo na afata somonda because afata somonda ko bol alanga bade alanga ka daji ko bani modo me keku ita parliament bom alanga demande man ñopi ngam masa ko da ku bu xala ba de rek mu todo biye ibro ko 50 i monta fi ndo fingita iba sidi mo sekon rek mu todo modo biye ibro ko de 50 fingita ibakita ibo ku iba sidi mo sekon ikada ile soto sai wo fu nyaba ni bongo ni mo ma do kuna sto wo mo mi yango fingita wole ibro ko de ibikeje mu le me de dadro iba so nyaade ke di mbaba lundi ala fu nyaba kame mo skunda ali nyawo ko ni mo mi yango bo ku keno sai do kula ma Allah le ban ko pri ali wala o so ala nyaade le ala nga demande ma ku ko forcé diamo da bar nga adan al na kila muso de wuru ka muso de wosika tigol bale ban ko to mas adam mo skunda ngeen al na kila ka amange forcé ala na halisa kam hadam ko la ba ni mo min ko ala na kila ngeen ala na kila mo bayin ko fo ma pour que muso against ila wela ngeen al na tigol bale ban ko ali sabar bi ala baraka ba alma ala njomu lala kan yene operation o nyaade ni operation o ngaaje nyaan ndeko ya fo baroy ko ndol musol lasin ndol musol mbatata kuntol ni aje bi mol ba fola baro ndol musol lasin bari mbatata bakele ya jame nala ya jame abe ya jame musol bambule man son singole bankoma ya jame jamano police te hanyila service man o te hanyila yenyi manyake musola woto baro jamano munati nam baro jamano musol be halake kan musol yankan kadile be tiya gasol fayla mol kan ibe mol bunne be ko sifa be kala mol baro munen ndolla nga baro sin yenyi yankuba dabo jele nyi yankuba dabo e mol nyaaji jole fita anu baro ndela nga fon tol na me ke ku ndela la kan ndela diamu ta na me ke ku nyi yankuba dabo nyi ndindi merengo ma kala man satile janga tata kuno leji ndela nga fo ndela la nga fo nyi yankuba dabo nyi ma kala man satile janga baro kuno leji ñi fasa ke mon la masati ñi na kam musol fasa ñi na man la fi musol e kumbo bari baro nga sinda be ñi pale ko no jang abe mol yankan kati kabe mol kumbo ndikan na me keku ala fa baro en de ko ndela la kan de ko na moytu yankuba dabo na moytu xale bi dafa am yeren ci jigen ñi xale bi su ko moytu ñun ñokoy tek mu nekk president ki kansulo la de way lum ñu nekk di jappale jigen ñu ñep gis nañ ñun ñëpp ko gis ndol be laaje ni baro me ke kun tollan tol bir kama musol Gambia musol be na me ke kun tolla ni ne bala place hotel ni Yankuba Dabo wala bala place hotel adiyata akuyata wato sitala wato tiye mbenyi londi le president wala jana adiyata akuyata ndabe winlale kanda e musol le fasa aya hakilo tule nyindi ne mero wala babo ni la place hotel aya hakilo tu kanda e bala fala soto musole ni ko bi mansa yetambi musol le bam ni ye bala fasa don tole ya lota moli mbe nyi bambu da na me ke ku next election Yankuba Dabo mba sindila ndabe ganyela ata kuno laji mbatata la jula man na fere Yankuba Dabo man ke loya Dabo kide nyi mba sindila dia kuya na me ke ko ka batando min ken tola silan to sestale mbatata den tola nga sindije tolle ba wulindi laje ngalindi mero sindi bi yano kay bala fasa dalon ko musola wudu abala fa ay bala fasa to musoli wala ben dako
yo mero galbe mitino sadaka ne aning operation clad road timo ite be mona expect kan ko mitino ni ala aw ko be kala nyaade
mitino be kala nyaawo nyara ni sisa fere tije weti je Yankuba le be tonya kan nyine min nata kana Yankuba wali mburi mitino ke pour ndol nga yankan kati ala te okela Yankuba de sonna wala ndung ala te okela ala la mo kendo la mati Yankuba se sino asano ay siala office ko no atendol wori la because amanga president nga sinde nga vote le pour ay councilot bari musolbe batami ko Yankuba nyabala every time anyaba ya so ay bala fa so musol yen nga lon ko ta ko kula nyam because Yankuba e min fa wala be kele ando adiyata ndol nga sayata nga balu wota because mbatata nga sayata nga balu wota mbatata ida yam fa o yam bula nga firi ndol nga baro sindi muna mo nyenti ndol nga baro sindi baro ma fa mo sindi den ndol nga sindi bari mbatata le de ida falem o balu wakilin
sayani diala dole ka ke fa nga sindi o na kanyeta o ta nyanta bala fa so lon tol musoli yemi anyanta bala fa so tol musa man bala fa so tol musoli Yankuba Dabo wala bala fa so tol musoli Yankuba Dabo abuka ko do sika ka dunda la gumo ko abuka sika ta kala do ko do wakate fa nyame aka banjo aka la do ko wala nyama ada ko re fa Yankuba Dabo ma Yankuba Dabo ma ka ala ni ay ko Yankuba Dabo ko ma Yankuba kila ya fa Yankuba Dabo ko ta te fa Yankuba na Yankuba do ku kiluma abe wala fa Yankuba ma nga dani ala kan kila kan ay fa Yankuba ma Yankuba mu do kula ay fa Yankuba ma ni sala ba na farola kola kola sai sister na na tiya ka so fay nin ke mu je tiya ka so nin kido la ni ngakele ko loya ba ko ban ko de wala de ko na ba ita ni la na baludula yo le ko fa nya ti ko balu ko balude ana fa ya fa fa ko balude wala ka mangana baludula yo tete yo tete ya fa ya ko ba bi ya fa ya ko ba sama ya ka ala kila ya fa ya ko ba ko mo kula da mala ala mala ma ko te fa ni ko ko se banda ko ta so ko mo ko ye ba ko ti do ma ko te fa ya ko 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 do kula ti di ko kula ma sa ko fa ta ala na kila ya ko ba da bono ko bula firi Yankuba bula firi Yankuba bula firi Yankuba do ko wonda yes ko so Yankuba kanule na sindi and na sindi to nyala and Yankuba do ko wala do ko lalam la kan la ko mala hani hen so martinindi da kan Yankuba ko mala Yankuba Dabo musol wuta dawoda abe wulli sida dawoda abe sida Yankuba ko musol fata da ma sala je ya kala mutal ni marse musol mele nyanta soto musol ba do ba ko yari fati ka soto wala do ba ko yari kala mo ni manjo dem man soto dem ma do ba ko yari ma ko te bu marse ko de ba ko yari baro mo ni bula ngasti ngana do ko ke nadi ta ale ndol musol ndol dole ka man sa sindi dole ka man sa wulindi nadi ta ale karte fa sila karte ka so muntal Yankuba Dabo sa persona ni en banko ka nadi ta ala nin kilay yobe do ko wala ba ko ma bi ba ko ma sama ba ko ma sunindi ko ku be je ba ku na tol